In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Chase Zelle payment. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what each status means, and when a cancellation is actually possible inside the Chase mobile app. Start by opening the Chase mobile app on your phone and signing into your account. Make sure you're on a secure connection and logged into the correct profile so your recent activity displays accurately. From the bottom menu, tap Pay and Transfer. This takes you to the hub for your payments and money movement options. Next, select See Activity. This view pulls up your recent transactions and requests so you can quickly find the payment you're looking for. Now, tap Zelle to narrow it down to your Zelle payment history. Within Zelle Activity, choose the Money Sent tab. This filters to the payments you've sent out, which is exactly where a cancelable transaction would appear. Scroll to locate the payment you want to cancel and check its status. This is the key step. If the status shows pending, it means the recipient has not yet enrolled with Zelle. In this case, your payment is still sitting in a holding state and can be canceled. If the status shows completed, that payment has already been delivered to the recipient, which means it cannot be canceled through the app. Understanding this difference will save you time. Pending can be canceled. Completed is final. If your payment is pending, tap on that specific transaction to open its details. On the details screen, tap Cancel Payment. The app will ask you to confirm, so read the prompt, then confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, you should see a message indicating the payment was canceled. The funds typically return to your account promptly, and you can verify the update under your Zelle activity or your recent transactions. Here's an important note to remember. You can only cancel a Zelle payment if the recipient has not yet enrolled with Zelle. Once the status shows completed, the money has already been delivered and cannot be canceled in the app. As a good practice for the future, always double check the recipient's information before you send money so you reduce the chance of dealing with a completed transfer you can't reverse. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate to your Zelle activity, interpret the payment status, and cancel a pending payment in Chase Mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Zelle tips and tutorials.